Sonic's right. I can't think of every possible outcome because I am only one guy. But if I could split myself into 5, I could form a brain trust of super scientists. Okay, Brain Trust, what do we do now? Oh! Yes? I don't know. You're dumb. I'm not. Hey, this wall tastes like dirt.
You seem off today, buddy. Maybe you just need something to eat. I'll run and get you a Medburger. Tails? How did you get here so fast? Well, since you've eaten, meet you back at my place? Tails?
Oh, good. Help me hang this picture. Hey, Tails, wanna play volleyball?
Why?
Because I wanna play.
Why?
I don't know.
Why?
Okay, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, why didn't you do it?
You didn't say Simon Says.
We're not playing Simon Says.
Listen, buddy, you've been acting a bit weird. You need some rest.
Let's get you to bed. Stop asking me why.
Why?
Simon's gotta be around here somewhere. Oh, hey, Tails! Hey, Tails! Hey, Tails!
Knuckles, anything seem odd to you?
I'm starting to think there might be more than one Tails.
Why?
Tails must have used this to split himself.
I guess each one only has 1/5 of his brain power. That explains why they're all so dumb.
They seem pretty smart to me.
Let's get them all into this thing so we can put Tails back together.
Here, Tails. Come on, boy. Look at the ball. Go get it.
That could have gone better.
You guys want to see a cheese puff that looks like the mayor? I'll keep them busy. You guys find that cheese puff that looks like the mayor.
You have pudding?
What are you doing here? You trying to sneak attack me?
Why would I attack you?
Because that's what enemies do. Duh.
Duh. You're funny. Wanna be friends?
Friends, huh? What about Sonic?
Who?
That's the spirit. Welcome to Team Eggman. First order of business, get me a towel. Where's the towel?
What towel?
The towel I asked you for. Get to it.
I found pudding.
No, not pudding. A towel.
Is this a towel?
What am I supposed to cover with that? Are you making fun of me? Yeah, forget this. I'll do it myself.
Duh.
We're still missing 5. If we don't find them, we'll never get Tails back together.
Hey, losers! My lair's infested with half-wit foxes. I'm a supervillain, not a babysitting service.
Why would the Tailses go to Eggman's lair?
Apparently because I have pudding. Or at least I used to.
Knuckles, you stay here and make sure these guys don't go anywhere.
I'll do what I can, but that cheese puff fiasco really hurt my cred.
Oh, come on! Do I come to your place and destroy stuff? Oh, wait, bad example. I do that every chance I get. All right, let's blow this clam bake.
Duck, duck, goose!
Well, have fun.
Wait, we don't know how to put Tails back together. None of us know how to work his machine.
Fine, I'll take a look. But only because I don't want to wake up tomorrow to find a Tails in my bathtub. Again. Interesting. Did you try switching it to reverse?
Hey, you're the tech whiz, not us.
Let's get these guys inside. Come on, boy.
I'm gonna miss being smarter than you, Tails.
I'm gonna miss being smarter than you, Knuckles.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was not smart.
Oh, he's still not smart! Put him back in!
No, I mean, it wasn't smart of me to think that all I needed were copies of me, when what I really needed was my friends.
Actually, you needed me. Your friends just made things worse. I better be going. Gotta make a pudding run anyway, because someone bogarted my whole supply. I'm so mad at you, Tails.
Why?